This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Remove the air filter housing cover. Remove the battery hold-down clamp and bolt. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure the new battery is identical to the original battery for the vehicle. These factors include battery post polarity, dimensions, and cold cranking rating. Carefully install the new battery. Install the battery hold-down clamp and fastener. Tighten it securely. Clean the battery cables with a battery cable brush to rid of any corrosion. When reconnecting the cables to the posts, be sure to connect the positive cable first and tighten the nut securely. Then connect the negative cable last. Tighten the nut securely. Reinstall the air filter housing.